So what you're seeing here are these void boxes. This was really difficult to source. I couldn't find a supplier. So I had to ask my engineer because they specified it. Essentially, these cardboard boxes are supposed to elevate the foundation and hold the concrete up and separate it, almost like a, what do they call it? Like a moisture separation or movement separation layer between the bottom of the foundation, the slab, and the soil. So we had to order these boxes, and the vapor barrier is going to go on top. We put in the forms for the trench or the footing. And all these boards. Expensive specifications, man.